So, hello everyone. My name is John Alexander Diaz, and today I'm going to talk to you about the technology enhanced assessment trend that is one of the assessment that nowadays we are using to improve the assessment in schools. So, we are going to be exploring connections to social development goals and the technology enhanced assessment at the end of this presentation. So nowadays, the assessment in education has evolved significantly, moving from traditional methods to more innovative approaches. So the current trend focus in inclusivity, engagement, and the integration of technology. They make emphasis on aligning assessment with the real world applications and learners' needs. But let's see, what is technology enhanced assessment? So, the technology enhanced assessment, or TEA, refers to the use of digital tools and platforms to create, administer, and evaluate assessments. The TEA aims to improve the assessment process by making it more interactive, efficient, and accessible. It incorporates various technologies such as online quizzes, multimedia presentations, and collaborative platforms to enhance learning experiences in the students. Now, let's see some aspects or some main aspects about the technology enhanced assessment trend. We have specifically for this presentation five main aspects. The engagement and motivation is the first one, because that's the TEA utilize interactive tools that capture students' interest. For example, the gamified assessment. It also provides immediate feedback, which can motivate the the learners to improve. The accessibility is another aspect, and it offers diverse formats: audio, video, text, to cater to different learning styles and needs. It also ensures the assessment that they are inclusive for all of the students, including those with disabilities. The real-time data collection is another aspect, because it allows for the collection of data on a student's performance in real time. You can get that information in a second. So it also facilitates the quick adjustment to teaching strategies based on the assessment results. And the collaboration is another really good aspect that TEA provides to teachers, because it encourages peers interaction through collaborative assessment tools. For example, the group projects using shared digital platforms fosters a sense of community among learners. Finally, we have a comprehensive input, what it aligns with the Krashen's input hypothesis by providing language input that is slightly above the learner's level or the learner's current proficiency level, and it engages students in meaningful tasks that promote the language acquisition for those students, the ESL student or the English second language students. So now let's move forward and let's see some benefits. One of the benefits is the efficiency, and the streamlines the assessment process and reducing administrative burden for teachers. Customization, it also enables personalized assessment tailored to individual students' needs and progress. Finally, we have the data data-driven insights. The TEA provides educators with valuable insights into student learning patterns and areas needing improvement. So let's keep moving. Now let's see some challenges, because you know that not everything is a pink color. We have some challenges with this trend, and the first one is the access issues. Not all of the students may have equal access to technology or reliable internet connections. For me, I think that's the most important, or the biggest one. uh, Another is that the training needs, because not all of the teachers are used to implementing technology in the assessment. So it could require that the teachers may get some training to effectively integrate technology into their assessment practices. And finally, but not less important, we have another challenge, that is the implementation of technology can involve significant cost for schools and districts. So in this point, the money could be a problem for schools, especially for the public schools. uh, but we need to keep working in making it possible. Now let's change the slide, and let's have a look about the connections between the TEA trend and the Social Development Goal, or SDGs. So the TEA aligns with the SDG 4, obviously, because the quality of education is going to be improved, and the TEA promotes inclusive education, but accommodating diverse learning needs and styles. It also aligns with the SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, because it encourages innovative practices in education through the integration of technology. So the providers, they are every time thinking about how to make their programs or their tools better every day. So it's going to affect directly the industry innovation. And finally, we have a contribution to the SDG 8, that is the decent work and economic growth, because it prepares students with essential skills for the workforce through practical assessment, so that these practical assessment mirror the real world scenarios. You can implement an assessment where the student have to face a real world situations. You can use some tools that immerse the students in this assessment, like a virtual assessment, maybe with a simulation, and put some real world context, so the students are going to be assessed in these abilities for the daily life. So finally, we could say that the technology enhanced assessment represents a significant shift in how assessments are designed and implemented in ESL education. By leveraging technology, educators can create more engaging, inclusive, and effective assessment strategies that align with contemporary education goals and SDGs. Finally, embracing technology in assessment is essential to meeting the diverse needs of learners and enhancing their language acquisition journey while contributing to global education objectives. So it is important that you, teacher, that you are looking at me, please take into account these recommendations. And I hope that this presentation can be really useful for you. So see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.